On today's talk show, you have with me Mommy V and Minnie. So we are going to try out these cookies together, and Israel is going to tell us how the cookies taste like, if he enjoys it and all of that. Meanwhile, in case you have not watched the video where we made our cookies, check it out on our channel. You are going to love it. So let's get started. Now you have to try that out and tell us how the taste looks like. Okay, bye. Take one of it. Delicious. Wow, you love it. So what do you think we made these cookies with?
Banana and coconut.
Wow, you even know what we made it because you were not actually here when I made the cookies. You see, the taste alone tells the ingredient that was used in preparing these cookies. What else did I use to garnish these cookies?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. See, your kids is going to love this, I must say. And because our kid got this right, like he actually got all what we use in making these cookies, we have a surprise for him. Ta-da!
You can see the video when she made it. I wasn't there.
This is the surprise for you because you got the ingredients right. Wow, do you love it? Now eat. Whoa, you got it right.
The cookie and the turkey makes a good taste.
Wow, eating them both makes a good taste, right? You already heard from his mouth, the cookies and the turkey makes a lot of sense. Try it out today. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoy our show with Mommy V and Minnie. Our next show will be another weekend. See you all. Bye.